As industrial technology goes ahead, a large quantity of carbon dioxide causes many problems like global warming and anomalous ecology. These problems become serious day by day. So lots of advanced countries start to research and develop various energy-saving methods, and even start to standardize products complying with IE2 and IE3. The concept of energy conservation gets reborn now. Yeoshe Hydraulics was established in 1989. We are always customer-oriented, devote our attention to research, develop energy-saving and carbon-reducing products. Yeoshe Hydraulics develops and manufactures products as below. Type 1. Hydraulic pumps, valves. Type 2. Hydraulic machines for industries and engineering machinery. Type 3. Hand tool machinery and systematic automatic machines. In 2004, passed the new version of ISO 9001-2008. We insist on innovating quality technology and improving management efficiency. Our company principle is to meet market demands, satisfy customers, and sell products throughout the world. Our hydraulic products are custom-made with high quality and perfect stability. Main products are as below. Inverter Power Pack. Features are 50% power saving, 2 degrees Celsius low temperature rise, and 50 decibel low noise. V-Series Piston Pumps. They are integrated by several control modes and high in variability. Featured in power saving, small size, and low cost. Also can be widely used in tooling machines, machine tools, forging presses, and plastic molding machines. PV Series Piston Pumps. They are modularized, so control structure is more diversified. Users can change control functions by themselves. The constant pressure can reach 350 bar, and maximum instant pressure is 420 bar. Furthermore, it can significantly improve power consumption, oil temperature rise, system accuracy, and lifespan. Also widely used in vehicle industry, ships, forging, tire machines, machine tools, and heavy industry machines. AR Series Piston Pump. They are made of lightweight and diversified modules, easy to assemble. The AR Series Piston Pump contains with special alloy material, is low in noise and long in lifespan, power saving and applicable to equipment. Suitable for 160 bar constant pressure and 210 bar instant pressure. Broaching Machine YS1200-2. It is designed to broach external and internal gears of various components and parts. It can finish the required size in one time and reduce handling time. Machine Tool MT600. It is a computer-controlled vertical machine with strong structure. The powerful slide is used. It is high in machining accuracy, long in lifespan, and custom-made. Gear Pump. Vane Pump. Solenoid Valve, modular valves, and pressure compensators. Various custom-made power pack. PA10VO63 Variable Piston Pump. It is widely used in engineering machinery, excavators, and concrete mixers. Large-size PV Series piston pumps can be used in machines for road construction, snowplows, container cranes, and tire machines. Yeoshe Hydraulics is ambitious in marching towards leadership, winning the market chance, and creating a win-win status. Quality assurance. Strict quality control is our first mission. The Quality Control Department has the most precise coordinate measuring machines. metallographic analyzers, ultramicrosclerometer for ensuring product precision. We have independent R&D capability. After designing, it is strictly tested through the servo endurance testing machine. The strict QC inspection is carried out from R&D, quality control, and endurance test before selling. Strict production process. Yeoshe Hydraulics has the perfect processing and skillful assembling technicians. From incoming material, casting, lathing, milling, and grinding, and from assembling, QC, to packing and shipping, our technicians keep testing and inspecting to control the production process of each item to ensure product accuracy. Yeoshe Hydraulics is an enthusiastic company with a sincere service attitude, comfortable work environment, and actively participates in various international exhibitions. From following the steps of Europe, America, and Japan, to integrating and improving advantages of all countries, to innovating and developing products to satisfy market demands. With sustainable operating attitude, we manage locally and think globally.